What if education could spark wonder? What if a school visit could change the way a child or a teacher sees the world forever? In December 2025, Agastya International Foundation and the Central Board of Secondary Education came together to explore exactly that question. From the 18th to the 20th of December 2025, the Innovative Education Conclave brought together 70 school principals and senior officials from CBSE-affiliated schools across 20 states of India, all converging at Agastya's campus in Gudivanka, near Kuppam, Andhra Pradesh. 3 days, 70 principals, 20 states. One shared belief that education, at its best, should ignite curiosity, build confidence, and transform lives.
Whether it is data or anything else that you're looking for, the most important skill is to learn to be curious.
So I asked him recently, how were the labs? They must have been good. At least the school was very good with laboratory labs and everything. He said, no, the teacher used to take us, they used to do something, and then we get to watch. And that was the lab. And so that is practically every school of CBSE today. So why weren't we having this sort of Agastya thing earlier? What we would like to, as somebody said, education versus knowledge, marks versus actual understanding.
This campus provides you opportunities to deep dive into a lot of basic concepts of science in a very, very different manner, and I think it's a wonderful opportunity for CBSE.
If anybody who comes here, all the teachers, they absorb this, they perceive this. Exactly, we don't make it so explicit to them, but they all absorb it and they carry this, the culture of learning, back to their schools.
Teaching learning process is very important to transform the education system. And the key role player is the teacher. So if teacher is ready, then everything will be in order. So in order to maintain the quality and ensure the compliances of the NEP 2020, it is very important that the classrooms may be transformative.
The whole idea was that to tell them that this is how they should be creating a very important learning environment in the school, and so that children are encouraged to think they are a part of the entire developmental process.
When we did the first moon mission in 2008, this particular mission got the credit for discovering the presence of water molecules on the moon, even though by that time man had landed on the moon and a large number of probes had touched the surface of the moon.
It's altogether a different experience, listening to the story of Agastya's creation, the establishment, the journey, how the funds got in, how things rolled on, how people were put on board. All these things really has inspired me, and not only me, all the educators, those who have come here.
And the marvelous part of this Agastya is that we went to every lab and we saw the practical things going on. Whether it is sensory lab, whether it is biology lab, whether it is IT lab, everything in spick and span.
Mathematics is not touched in generations. This is the first place where I have seen there are some projects, there are some beautiful things, including the mirror part and also trigonometry and also momentum part in science. That first time I'm experiencing.
I'm here since last evening, but I feel I'm here since ages. Why? Because this place is so good, so homely. It gives me that feeling of coming back to our roots. And when you come back to your roots, it's feeling at home.
The Innovative Education Conclave 2025 ended not with a goodbye, but with a commitment.
The volunteers and the employees who were there, they were extremely experienced and they were extremely enthusiastic. And I plan to involve the Agastya team in teachers training across CBSE.
As education is as different from knowledge, because you build character during school education. As a CBSE family ourselves, I can say that that is the most important thing that we do.
A commitment from CBSE educators and leaders to bring experiential, learner-centered education into classrooms across the country in partnership with Agastya International Foundation.
जो सोचे जो चाहे वो करके दिखा दे, हम वो हैं जो 2 और 2 5 बना दे।